Hi, this is Craig Phillips, owner of Quality Water Treatment, also known as Craig the Water Guy. I hope you're doing well today. I want to go over our free bonus Quick Connect hoses for easy installation of your Softpro water softener. We are offering this free bonus to you at the time of your purchase of your Softpro water softener. It has to ship with your water softener at the time of purchase in order to get the bonus for free. So please take advantage of it if it is something that you think you might need. It does make the installation much easier in most applications for you. We supply you with the 3/4 inch connection fittings where it'll actually shark bite fittings that'll connect directly to your 3/4 inch plumbing. And we also supply you with the 1 inch shark bite connection fittings that will fit over your 1 inch pipe. So now you no longer have to worry whether or not you have a 1 inch plumbing or 3/4 inch plumbing because we are supplying you again with both sets of hoses, the 1 inch and 3/4 inch. That way it'll accommodate both scenarios for you. The way these work is they are for the Softpro water softener only, and they're specialized to fit into the back of the control valve here, and they're secured by these two red clips. So this part here is 1 inch because your bypass valve is always 1 inch on your Softpro systems. So this part here slips into the bypass valve and you simply put the red clips over the top and snap them in place, and that holds it in place. The other end, one set of the kit is going to be 3/4 inch on this end, so it will slip over your 3/4 inch plumbing and lock into place. The other kit is 1 inch on this end, so it'll fit over your 1 inch plumbing and lock in place. So that's how those work, folks. I hope I was helpful. Thank you very much and have a great day.